Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Tesla Supercharging optimization with in-car navigation, beginner guide step-by-step clear. To enable Tesla Supercharging optimization with in-car navigation, start by entering your Tesla vehicle. Once inside, ensure your car is powered on. Locate the touchscreen display in the center console. Tap on the nav icon at the bottom of the screen to access the navigation feature. Enter your destination by typing in the address or selecting it from your saved locations. Once your destination is set, check the route displayed on the screen. Look for the supercharger option within the route details. Tap on the supercharger icon to view charging options along your route. Enable the Optimize for Charging feature if it is not already selected. This option will calculate the most efficient charging stops and times. Review the suggested charging stops along your route. Ensure that your charging preferences are set to include supercharging. You can adjust the settings by navigating to charging in the main menu. Confirm that the Allow Supercharging option is enabled. Return to the navigation screen once your settings are adjusted. Start your journey by tapping the Start Navigation button. Follow the instructions provided by the navigation system. The car will guide you to the nearest supercharger stations as needed. Monitor the energy usage displayed on the screen while driving. Arrive at each supercharger station as planned to optimize your charging time. Enjoy your trip and the convenience of Tesla supercharging capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.